a medical emergency! Please scream in panic and run in circles like maniacs! This is not a drill!
This is a drill. That is all. Time for a timeout, Pizza Face.
Please, not the dome! Anything but the dome!
Sorry, we can't let you go around spreading sprinkle pox.
That's why you gotta be quarantined.
It's for the good of the store, my three cheese friend.
You're sick too? Get him, Fingers!
No, I'm fine. Really, I'm fine.
Into the dome, Panini Bread!
Come on, it's a prison break. It's us against the world.
Way to go, meathead!
Not so fast, sickos.
Step aside, Sticky. Don't make me snot you!
Try it.
Well, you asked for it.
So did you.
Hey, what do you know? I feel better.
Me too. Everything's back to normal.
Oh no, it's not!
It's disgusting!
It's terrifying. It's
To scan or not to scan? That is the $1 million Blotto ticket question.
What are you waiting for, Ricardo? You want to be a squishy toilet brush for the rest of your life?
Blessed mamacita of chance! My ticket is the big winner! Oof! I am no longer what the poets call flat broke.
Enough celebrating. Now that you're filthy rich, you gotta learn how to look and act rich and filthy. And I'm just the classy guy to show you how it's done. For starters, you're way too pale. Wealthy folks love their fake tails.
This tan does not smell fake. It smells banana-y.
Whoops, better turn up the heat. We're late for your hair appointment.
But I do not have hair.
You do now!
No, not even. Oh boy. No. Perfect.
Some unnatural color and a spritz to achieve maximum helmet hair. A tornado could not do that to you.
As I always say, the peel makes the banana.
I'm in my banana birthday suit! Hey, who is this dashing fruit? And what has he done with Ricardo?
Now for the icing on the cake, aftershave. I mixed it myself out of prune juice, pine air freshener, and rusty pipe water.
Oh, yes. I positively reek of success. I am a new banana. Now be gone, peasants. I am too rich to associate with the likes of you.
I told him everything he knows. So proud.
Ski the frosty slopes of frozen TV dinners. Soak up the sun under a blazing tropical heat lamp. Gaze upon the most glittery jewelry in the entire Yucky Mart. But that's nothing compared to the squishy towers. A colossal condo of double-ply toilet paper. Or the double squish ranch and its herd of thoroughbred race roaches. Welcome to Lifestyles of the Rich and Disgusting. I'm your host, Serge. All these wonders are owned by the world's richest banana, Ricardo. His peel to riches tale is the stuff of legend. Join me now for a peek at Ricardo's high-priced, trend-setting lifestyle.
Ah, muy picante. Let the interview begin.
Ricardo, You live a life of glitzy gluttony. What more could an overripe tropical fruit ask for?
Excellent question, my television companion, but definitely not my real-life friend. What more could I ask for? Hey, how about my pedicure over here?
Right away, boss. Gotta keep those rich tootsies trimmed.
I have many rich banana things to do, but still I stay in touch with the little people. Like this ever-ripening fellow.
Don't give me that hoity-toity fancy talk. I was rich before your bunch even fell out of the tree. I had it all. Friends, music, and all the stale chocolate coins you could eat. But I lost it all. Betrayed by my best pal and my best gal. What I'm saying is, don't trust nobody.
Excellent advice. Everybody out! Too bad, so sad. Come back when you're rich like me.
I'm not sure that's the moral of my story. Or is it?
Time for this squishy banana to get his beauty sleep. But first, I must make sure my many millions are safe and snug. Buying up all the Blotto tickets proves I have a brilliant banana business brain. One of them is sure to be another big winner. But I shall save that pleasure for tomorrow. Now, to activate the alarm, and then off to Betty Bye I go. It is good to be wealthy.
Sweet dreams, Banana Mush. When you wake up, all those sweet Blotto tickets will be mine.
Hey, you mean ours, right?
Sure. That's what I meant.
I got moldy cherry.
Oh, dusty mint and roach droppings.
Are you sure this is safe?
Nope.
Quiet! Go!
Shh, here, boy. Oh, here, chew on this. Time for Plan B.
What's Plan B?
Take the tickets and run!
Halt, you ticket thieves, or face my tropical banana fury! Eat hot potato with no butter or sour cream!
Ow! I'm more of an onion ring guy!
Hey, stop, thieves! You have stolen my precious Blotto tickets and ignited my fiery banana rage!
Time for us to banana split! Ricardo's gone crazy!
I know, right? It's positively shocking! We're trapped, but I'm not going down without a fight! What do you know? This flat battery still has some juice!
You sure do, Serge! But I got all the Blotto tickets!
Never trust a fully loaded sub! They always want everything on it! Those tickets are mine!
Actually, the tickets are mine!
Finders keepers, losers weepers!
Perhaps, but I assure you I will not be the one weeping, my foot-long friend.
Oh, yeah? Well, we'll see about that!
Give me those tickets!
Tickets!
Whoa! Ow!
Ow, ow, ouch!
My head!
Oh, painful. Oh, I am coming for you, my precious.
Oh, no, you don't!
They are all winners, and all mine.
All ours!
Stinky? How dare you slam my own gates in my own handsome banana face?
Ain't yours anymore, bub. You're flat busted. but I used that chocolate coin you gave me to scratch and win a lotto ticket that fell right out of the sky. Now all of you deadbeats are working for me. Come on, you lazy slowpokes. I hired you to bob for toilet pennies, and that's what you're gonna do.
It's a living.
I'm no good until I've had my morning pot of coffee.
Hey, meathead! Time to get up!
Ooh.
Yeah! Morning, Rocky.
Morning, meathead.
Where's Pizza Face? He's the one who wanted to go skating. Rise and shine, you grease gobbler!
Yeah, wakey, you sloppy slice of lice.
Okay.
Oh,
Sicko!
dude!
That is a really nasty cold. Nasty as in disgusting.
You look like you sniffed up a jar of relish and mayo, swished it around in your head, and dribbled it back out your nose.
I'm not sick.
Incoming! Maybe you ought to stay in bed.
I told you I'm fine. See? All better. Now let's go grease skating.
What? Check out my pussy pirouette.
Whoa! Yeah.
Ta-da! Top that, meathead.
Easy. Welcome to Splitsville. Oh, that's stingy.
That's nothing. Check this out.
Oh no, he's gonna blow! Quick, stuff these noodles up his noodle.
There. There's no way you can sneeze now. No way at all.
Okay, I might be a teensy bit sick.
Ouch!
Hey!
Reflexes? Normal. Cranial cavity reservoir overflowing.
What's the diagnosis, Dog Brog?
Just as I thought. You're a sicko. Hey, who's gonna pay my bill?
Careful with my pepperoni. I like to stay nice and spicy.
Thanks, Fingers. You're handy.
I've got the perfect home remedy from my dear old granny. She was a double-decker BLT. But first, bring on the hot sauce.
Seriously, guys, I'm much better. You don't have to.
Now this cure is guaranteed. 2 parts overflow from the slushy dispenser, 1 part sour milk with just a pinch of bug legs. You'll be breathing easy in no time.
Please.
Okay, how about this? We'll just squeeze the snot out of it.
Hey, yeah, why didn't we try this first?
That pizza is totally bare. Have you no decency? Put some sauce on, you perverted pepperoni.
Well, how do you feel?
Never better.
He's not better. He's got sprinkle pie!